Okay, excellent. Out in the field again at the Cove. Welcome back to Indian Trace. I've been finding some artifacts, and this is tuning in because, you know, I've got some artifacts to share. Now, I picked this up about 5 minutes ago. Fantastic looking hammerstone. Did take a cut though. Did take a break. But look at this divot. Okay? Absolutely well-known wear. Flat on the edges. And then again, right here. Work zone. Work zone. Please, if you would out there, Ken, Rob, Flintsball, maybe another, tell me what you think that is. I know it's not nutting stones, but they work on all my hammerstones a spot regularly on these stones, tools that they've had and used for a while, that they kept as part of their tool bag, if you will, their group of tools. Because this was used for a lot of stuff. Carries a lot of energy, this stone. What a great piece. Look at this. Would have been a great round piece, but that's okay. Just took a hit a while back, broke it right off. See, it's quartzite. But just love those work zones, and have never been able to really nail it down. Christian, you can tell me if you watch these, you're so busy putting things up. Now, I will say this, absolute awesome community. Look at these things that I've been finding. And there's a piece in the ground right here. We're going to check it out. Look at these pieces that I've been finding. Great stuff. Great stuff. Couple tips. Can't leave those. Field finds, great, strong, big rhyolite base. Rhyolite Marl Mountain. Look at the two colors, remember? Sugar quartz tip, complete. Give you an idea how they made that. I mean, it is wicked. Sharp. They just snapped it right off there. Another Marl Mountain right here. Great field finds. Of course, that hammerstone. And we'll see if this succeeds. If you're watching this, I probably kept it on. If it was completely broken, I just recycle it. Oh, you know what? Looking at this, I know already this is one of those points that had the longer base than the top. Don't really think it's used up. I really don't. I think that they used these and made them like this. I find them here. Banded rhyolite here, very nice. Valentine's Day point, right? Just a little bit nicked off the bottom. Got a strong tip, strong balanced look to it. That lattle tip. It's just an armor-piercing tip, went on the end of the shaft, is my opinion. Gave it a little bit of weight, little ballistic impact. New little break on the tip. No biggie. What a great point, huh? It's a great look on those. So, won't make it too long. Just wanted to ask and tempt you to give me a little bit of insight and input on what you think the divot is on this rock here. And that right there, that's Indian Trace. Hope you find out there. And happy Valentine's Day.